Kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Kumakabong nalunan ang dibdib. Sa pagkabahala.
Bibi, then May Eden. Simulan natin sa mahal. Sa bawat tibok ng puso ko, ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako naniniwala sa habang buhay. Hindi perpekto ang mundo, pero sa piling mo, sapat na.
Then I heard this line from a film called In Your Dreams, and it stayed with me. You hold on to each other. And the moment I heard that, all I could think about was you. And now, here we are.
Ang ako'y kakape. Kapag magulo na ang mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko.
Di ba sa makina may friction din pero nakaka-andar naman yung kotse. Ano yung nilalagay? Oil, di ba? May lubricant. So that lubricant in a marriage or in any relationship is what we call love.
Ika'y sasalubong.
Fitting in your vibe and you'll be styling out too quickly.
To my Loki, my baby love, my love, mahal. I've never thought this day would come. I have never even imagined that I'll get married because marriage is pretty scary to me. Not because of you, but because it was unfamiliar.
And if we think about it, Christ is the symbol of the love of God. To put Christ in the center of your marriage means to see the Christ in each other as you love each other unconditionally.
Good is so bad, it's so bad, it's so new. I'm wishing at the end of June.
Araw-araw kitang pipiliin sa araw na masaya, sa gabing tahimik, sa panahong magulo o sa kapag masakit ang likod mo.
Clouds in my shroud, in my vision go clearly. Can't see
We met each other too early, but we waited for the right time for our story. You've been by my side since you introduced me to your family. Sabi mo, girlfriend ko po. And nung tayo na lang, I was like, girlfriend mo na ako? Hindi pa ako nag-yes. And you asked me right there and then, and I said yes. From then on, you've shown me what love truly means.
do me like that with a smile, with a smack, with a you know me, no, you know me better. No rainy, no windy, no sun. Just music and just the one. I'm fine like that. I love
Thank you, baby. Love you.
Wow! To my husband, Bibi, I love you.
you knows me no better like a
Thanks, Bibi. See you later sa ceremony.
fitting in your style.
You have loved me the way I don't know how love should be. Dati okay na ako sa katiting na pagmamahal. I've never really understood how big love can be until you came.
Vibing out to you, make me do your man.
So in any relationship, kapag close kayo sa isa't isa, lalo na sa marriage where you have really become one, not just in body but in spirit, you really become one. That closeness is unique, but that closeness brings you also that friction.
True.
Then happy wedding sa inyong dalawa. Sana happy kayo sa araw ng inyong kasal. Ito na yung pinaka-the best na araw mo.
Can't see ahead if I'm fine when I believe in me. What is it saying when you let go? What is so impossible?
Eensayuhin kong magmahal ng sapat at tama. Makikinig kahit maingay at magulo. Uunawa kahit pagod. Mananatili kahit nakakatakot.
It said, when you don't know what comes next, it freaks you out so much. You want to know how you go through it? You find something that's always been there for you, right in the middle of all the chaos. You find that constant, unchangeable feeling, and you hold on to it.
No rainy, no windy, no sun. Just music and just the one. I'm fine like that, fine like that, fine. I'll never be losing, I'm on every time.
Maybe I can't promise to be always good and kind, but I will try my best to choose to be good and kind. There will be good and bad times, and I promise to talk my feelings out. Kung hindi on the spot, bukas or sa makalawa. But I promise to always be open. I promise to not just talk my feelings out, but also listen.
Up from above it, don't leave me behind. It's around all the earth that we know is divine. When I be empty and all of my mind I see.
Ito ang tahanan ko, ang mga mata mo, ang ngiti mo, ang mga pangarap na sabay nating binubuo. Di ako mangangakong perpektong kwento, pero nangangako akong lalaban para sa atin. Kahit minsan tayo'y magtalo ng pagod at ng mundo. Ensayo pa rin araw-araw sa pagiging mas mahinahon, mas mapagmahal, at mas ikaw ang inuuna.
Learn to forgive unconditionally. During your marriage, as the years, the decades pass by, you will make mistakes, magagalit kayo sa isa't isa, but it's not about that. It's about how fast you're able to forgive each other. You're able to forgive each other almost instantaneously, and that's what you call a true expression of love.
Hi baby, I love you. See you tayo sa ceremony. And mas masaya see you tayo mamayang gabi.
The only one I dream of, still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one, ain't nothing better. We beat the odds.
Choose your battles. You always choose the relationship rather than being right.
The more battles you fight, the braver you become.
They say I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong.
Hi, baby. We're finally here. I'm here standing, not your girlfriend, but your wife.
To the one that I belong to, you're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one
Nandito ako, hindi lang bilang asawa, bilang tahanan mo. Hawak kamay kitang haharapin ng bukas. Ikaw ang oo sa mundong puno ng alinlangan. Mahal kita. Salamat sa pagmamahal.
Today, I promise to love you on our highs and lows, in every season of every day. I promise to choose you even on the hard days, to listen with patience, to grow with you, to support your dreams, and to love you in the way you need most. Baby, pipiliin kita ngayon, bukas, at sa araw-araw. Mahal kita.
still the one, you're still the one that I love. glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.